Hi friends! In this video, we'll show you our quick and easy bug screen we made for the sliding door on our 2021 Ford Transit. We started with two magnetic door screens that we picked up at a discount store for about $10 each.
Came with these, that's where the magnet is. So we removed the magnets.
The magnets were not very magnetic at all, so we took them all off. 3 of the 4 sections are the perfect width for the width of our sliding door, so we stitched them together all the way down. Then we slipped these strong magnets around the edges. Show me the big one. Wait. Alright.
There you go. That's nice. Put a little hole in here. Stick this in. Right out. So there. There it is.
Take it down now. It only takes a couple of minutes to put it up and a couple of minutes to take it down. The only catch is that you can't easily get in and out, but we're fine with using the front doors. And that's it. Thanks for watching!